So we have my sister Autumn.
Are you supposed to look at the camera?
I don't know, because this is a little low, I feel like. Autumn just had a little baby. And so 4 months in means postpartum hair loss. It's important to know that that happens after pregnancy and birth, and it's a very normal thing, and it's actually called postpartum alopecia. Did you know that? Yeah, there's like 3 kinds of alopecia. The first 2, and then this one. I can't tell you exactly what those ones are right now. We'll throw those in there later. I mean, I don't know exactly why that happens, but basically what we notice is you don't lose any of your hair during pregnancy. Like you're,
a hormone.
Yeah, there's like some hormone, which I would love to know what that is. So if anyone knows, drop it in the comments, because I don't know what it is. Maybe we'll research this after. You don't lose any of the hair. So like you're not shedding like a normal, you know, shed and growth pattern that you would when you're not pregnant. And then your hair gets really thick and luscious, which is amazing. You feel like you just have the most beautiful hair. And then of course, 3 to 4 months after you have your baby, you lose it all right when you need it the most. And it's just amazing, like, that our bodies do that to us, because like, we don't deserve that. The other messed up part is that everyone calls this, you know, like the chop after you have a baby, a mom bob, and I feel like there can be like a negative connotation to that. But nobody, I think, realizes that the reason that people have mom bobs after having a baby is because of the postpartum hair loss. And so everyone knowing that should be like really raving about the mom bobs and be like, of course you're gonna do that. And as soon as you have your own baby and you experience it, you're like, I'm gonna do that too, because I'm gonna feel better and look better losing that hair, even though your hair still looks beautiful right now.
We just need a fun change.
Yeah, we need something to make you spice up your life. Also, bobs are super in. We're not gonna do a bob. We're gonna do like a long or like medium length. We have some inspiration photos that will pop up here. Oh yeah, this is kind of more of a mid-length.
Yeah, that's why
The nice thing about this is you've already got so much of like this texture in the front. Like it literally looks like this.
Right, which is why I feel like it'll be an easy transition.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like it won't be like this huge dramatic, now you have a hard, like
that you've never experienced before, and everything's completely different.
Or
You're not
something
gonna be
I
able
have
to
to style hardcore every day.
No, because this is you pulling your hair out of a ponytail.
5 days after washing it.
Exactly. So you can do that with this, and it's actually going to look exactly how it's supposed to look. Would you look at that? Oh my God, you're so cute. It looks so good. Oh, dude, look at how full.
I was gonna say it looks so much thicker.
So thick.
Oh, it feels so nice actually.
So nice. Like thick again.
I still have like a good pony.
There's still a lot of hair on your head. Sometimes it's fun to cut it dry, just to get to like watch exactly what it's gonna look like instead of being like, oh shit, it's wet and ugly and it's short. What have I done? And you can't feel how luscious and pretty it looks. So it can be nice when doing a big chop. I like to do big chops dry. Big chops dry are always a good idea. I'm loving it, as McDonald's would say. So we just washed Autumn's hair, and this is how much we got out of her hair just from one wash. So that is postpartum alopecia for you. And this will keep happening for a little bit, which is why we're chopping her hair a little bit shorter. So it's gonna feel, it still feels very dense because her hair is shorter and not spread out through all that length. Bye, hair. Now that everything's come up a little bit, it just like makes everything seem a little thicker. Like you don't look like you're missing any hair. It'll be easier to dry. Honestly, having less because it's gonna be a little lighter on your head too. Going longer without washing it, it's not gonna feel as heavy and greasy. So that'll be nice too. Yeah, I mean, it's so luscious.
So fun.
It's so pretty. I love it too. Da 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 da. Ooh, ooh, yeah. You look just like Lucy Hale, but better. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. 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 Boo, 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 boo. Oh.